I'm somewhere in Oklahoma, and I've been chasing what is supposed to be an extinct or an extinct bird, which is called the Ivory Bill Woodpecker. There have been reports recently that there were some still alive in Arkansas, possibly in Florida, and other locations. I'm looking for one right now. I know where it's at. I've seen it before. Very close. I know it's Ivory Bill. Others have seen it as well. And right now I'm looking for it. So come join Jackson Burns, that's me, as I adventure to the unexplained and search of the Ivory Bill Woodpecker. Knock, 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 knock. Supposedly been extinct since 1936. I'm not so sure if that's the case or not, because I have seen them before. So here we go. There it goes. You son of a bitch, where are you at?